Hello guys, I am Shubham from ShubhVed Tutorials. This video is about sex determination in Drosophila. In the previous video, we discussed about sex determination in mammals. Okay, so before we start, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever new video is out. Your one subscribe is equal to the token of appreciation and your love towards the content. So let's get started with the video. So basically, sex determination in Drosophila, there is one theory, okay, for the sex determination that is known as Genic balance theory. Genic balance theory. Why so this is known as genic balance that we will discuss. And this was proposed or discovered by Calvin Bridges in 1921. Okay. So basically, what is this theory? Actually, in mammals, basically in humans, we know that XX is female, right? And XY is male. The same is with Drosophila. Okay, same is with Drosophila, but here the Y chromosome. Okay, in humans, Y chromosome is the determining the sex of the offspring or the organism, right? But in Drosophila, the Y chromosome is not involved in sex determination. Okay, for the sex determination, Y chromosome is not involved. It is involved for the characteristics like sperm production. Okay, it is involved for that, but determination is not done by Y chromosome in Drosophila. Okay, so here what determines the sex? That is the ratio. Okay, ratio of X chromosome upon autosome. Okay, so this is known as genic balance. The balance of the autosome and X chromosomes decide the sex of the Drosophila. Okay, so this is the value. Okay, the ratio, and this is known as the genic balance, right? So this is basically dependent on genotype. We know genotype considers of autosome and sex chromosome, right? So here in Drosophila, the autosome and the sex chromosome, that is X, decide the sex of the Drosophila. Okay, so this ratio is very important, and this ratio is controlled by the X SXL, that is sex lethal gene present on the X chromosome of the Drosophila. Okay, so this X chromosome is having this gene, right? And this gene is dependent on the ratio of X upon A, that is X chromosome upon autosome. Hence, it is present on the X chromosome when the XL is on. Okay, when this XL is on, it gives rise to female development, and when this is off, then male. Right? So this activity is basically dependent on the ratio. Got it? So here is the one table. See, this table tells us the total number of chromosomes, number of X chromosome, number of autosomal sets, right? And X-ray ratio, and then what sex we will see. Okay, so basically we can draw here one thing for the simplification. This is a line. Here is the 1. Here is the 0.5. Okay, so 1 is female, and 0.5 ratio is male, right? Okay, and here between this 0.5 and this 0.67, this is intersex. In the between, intersex. And beyond this one, meta female. Beyond this one, 1.5. Suppose I draw here 1.5. Okay, so this is meta female, and beyond the 0.5, 0.33. Suppose this is a meta male. Okay, so we have to remember this, that one is female, male is 0.5 ratio. Between these intersex, and beyond female, beyond 1, meta female, and beyond 0.5, that is 0.33, it is meta male, right? So this is the ratio overall. And then there is one more term as known as Drosophila Gynandromorph. Drosophila Gynandromorph. Okay, so what is this? Gynandromorph. Means the organism exhibits male as well as female body. Okay, what we can write here is partial male and female. Partial male and female. Okay, this occurs due to non-disjunction, non-disjunction or chromosomal lagging. Chromosomal lagging. Basically of the X chromosome. X chromosome. Got it? So if this occurs, there is loss of X chromosome in the mitosis, right? And thus the body does not form properly. Okay, and then see, this is the result. Okay, the half body is female and half body is male. Okay, this is in the Drosophila fruit fly. Okay, so this is known as gynandromorph. Okay, in this half body we can see here, this is female and this is male, right? And the partial means bilateral symmetry. This bilaterally they are distinguished from each other. Okay, so this is what the whole sex determination thing in the Drosophila, right? The gene important here is the SXL, that is sex lethal gene. Okay, this gene is very important, sex lethal gene in the X chromosome, and that is dependent on the X to A ratio, autosome, sex chromosome upon octosome ratio, right? If the ratio is 1, the offspring is female. If the ratio is 0.5, it is male. Between that, intersex. Okay, beyond 1, meta female, and beyond 0.5, it is meta male. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope this video helps you. If this video helps you, do let us know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, please share it. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified whenever the video is out. Also follow us on all our social media pages, and you can join us on Telegram and stay connected for the latest updates. All links mentioned in the description section.